Today I'm going to show you an extension by Malwarebytes that helps you with your privacy and with your security on the internet. It's kind of like uBlock Origin, which is another good extension. This works with Chrome and Firefox, but I'm going to show you how to set it up on Chrome. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Let's go down to Chrome and open up Chrome. Let's go up here to the upper right and click on these three dots. Let's go down to More Tools and click on that, and then click on Extensions. We'll go up here to these three dashes and click on that, and go down to Open Chrome Web Store. In here we're going to search for Malwarebytes Browser Extension, and then hit Enter. Let's go ahead and open this up here so we can see what it's all about. So Malwarebytes has a browser extension. Let's see here. Looks like it's compatible with my device. It's in beta right now, so take that into consideration. So it might have a few glitches, but it really helps with your browsing experience. It blocks malicious websites while filtering out unwanted content. It actually helps up your browser experience by making it faster, by blocking that content. They're the same people that make Malwarebytes anti-malware. So let's go up here. Let's go ahead and add it to Chrome and add extension. It wants me to turn on sync because it wants me to sync this across my other devices, but I'm going to click the X here because I just want it on this device. And here it is right here. Let's click on that. And it opens up, and we have the malware scams and the ads and clickbait turned on right now. Let's go ahead and click on Settings. Protection is enabled. Alright, we've got malware protection, scam protection, potentially unwanted program protection, advertising tracker protection, and clickbait protection. Let's go to the Allow list. In here we can allow domains that might be affected by this extension negatively. So if we're going somewhere, we know it's a good domain, but this pops up and says it's not or blocks it, we can put it in here and it'll allow us to add it to the Allow list so this extension doesn't block it. We'll go up here to About. And in here it wants to send anonymous telemetry to Malwarebytes. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck that. Let's go to a website like MSN and see if it blocks anything. Alright, I've got uBlock Origin on here. It's blocked 6 things. HTTPS, let's see, it's got 4 things. Privacy Badger has looks like 2 things, and Malwarebytes has found a couple of things on the site as well. So looks like it does do some blocking of different things. Let's try yahoo.com and see if it blocks anything here. Well, came up with one thing right there. And that's basically how you install that extension. I just wanted to show you how it reacted to a couple of different web pages. Let's go ahead and close this. So please check out my other videos. I've got one down here on how to free up hard drive space on your computer. And I have one over here on the other side is a playlist of Windows tips. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.